Welcome back to Origami videos. We are approaching summer and there will be a lot of hot days. And what is a better way to cool down than with ice cream? So today we're gonna make paper origami ice cream. We'll start by taking our square piece of paper and we'll fold it in a diagonal. Like this. Next step, we'll open our paper and we'll fold this bottom right side of the paper to the center line and align it with the line. And once you have it, press it down. And now repeat the same step with the left side. So fold it to the middle. Like this. Now we'll fold this top layer, so this point. We will open our paper so that we'll have a perfect angle here. Like this. And repeat the same step on the left side. So pick your point, open it to a perfect angle. And once you have it, press it down. And next step, we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold these edges in just like this so that it's aligned with this line. And the same on the other side. Like this. Once we have it, we'll fold this top right side of the paper and we'll fold it and align it with the middle line. And press it down. And repeat the same step on the left side. So fold it to the middle. And once you have it, press it down. Like this. In next step, we'll fold our paper on this line. So fold it downwards. And now take a centimeter or 1 finger of it, this, and fold it upwards. Once you have it, press it down. Now take approximately a middle of the paper, it's about here, and fold this part of the paper in half. Just like this, and again take a centimeter or 1 finger and fold this part of the paper upwards. Like this. And now all we need to do is turn our paper around and we have our ice cream for the summer. I hope you enjoyed this video and now let's go eat some ice cream. Bye!